Welcome back. Welcome to today's Qi energy activation. Today we're going to do a relaxing series of flow movements. And we're going to begin just with a couple of quick minutes of bouncing and then get right into some of the 18 forms. So with your knees comfortably bent, your feet at shoulder width apart, your shoulders relaxed, smile on your lips, spine elongated and straight, start to bounce. And even when you're bouncing, you can close your eyes as you're following your long, slow, gentle breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Putting your awareness on the body, on any sensations in the body. Allowing yourself to become fully present in this moment. And raise your arms up over your heads. Soften the shoulders. Open the chest. Let the hands move freely as you bounce. Smiling and enjoying your bouncing. As you exhale, breathing out for a couple of seconds longer than you inhale for that healing, detoxifying breath as you completely turn over the air in your lungs. With your arms up over your heads, you're moving your lymph. And with your intention, with your will, you're affirming to yourself that you are opening all the energy channels in your head, your neck, your shoulders, your upper back, your upper chest. As you lower your hands down, swing gently left and right. Tap on the side of the ribs with the front hand, the center of the back with the back hand, tapping on the spine with the back of the back hand. At the height of the navel, at this point that's called Heaven's Gate. Now slowly come to rest. Put your awareness on your hands and on your fingers. First movement is for harmonizing the Qi. As we breathe in, we raise both hands up slowly, palms facing down. To the height of the shoulders. And then as we exhale, we project the energy down with our hands. We bend the knees and we lower our body as we lower the hands. Breathing in, the hands float up, feeling the connection to the energy under. The hands from the palms as they float up, and then as the hands float down, the fingers are spread, moving through that waterfall of Qi all the way back down. As you breathe in, you rise up, straightening the legs, but not all the way. And as you breathe out, you lower down, keeping the back comfortably straight, relaxing the shoulder. Now, as you get into this flow movement, you realize that as you breathe in, you're raising the energy up. And as you breathe out, you're lowering it back down. The yin energy rises from the back of your body, up the back side of your spine, to the top of your crown. And then the yang energy flows down from the top of the crown to the center core of your body, back down to the perineum. And breathing in and breathing out. Now, as we inhale, we cross the arms in front. Either hand can go in front, and then you raise the energy up again as you straighten the legs, the elbows rise. And then you spread the hands above your head, smiling in gratitude as you part the clouds, you separate the clouds and reveal the sky. As you bring the hands down, you lower your center of gravity again as you exhale completely. Breathing in, rising up, looking up through the clouds to the sun, smiling in gratitude and exhaling as you come down. And one last round of this movement, breathing in, separating the clouds, seeing the night sky, the moon, the star. Beautiful. Let's raise the hands up now to the height of the face. And we're going to roll the ball. As you breathe in, you bring the left hand back, the right hand forward. You follow the left hand with your head. You roll the left hand up and then down. And as you roll forward, you drop, bending the knees just a little bit. The hands pass in front. You feel that energy exchange with your hands. The right hand comes back, the left hand goes forward. And you switch again, breathing in as the arm comes back, gathering the qi in the palm of that hand that goes back, and then breathing out as you bring that hand forward, passing in front. Perhaps straightening a little bit as you go back and then dropping a little bit as you come forward. Now as you bring your hand forward, stop with both hands in front. Curl your fingers like you're grabbing two oars. Now we're going to row the boat. Take a breath in. And on the exhalation, you push the hands out as you row forward, dropping down, keeping the back comfortably straight, lowering down to whatever level feels good for you. Breathing in on the return. Breathing out as you row. Long, slow, gentle breath. Effortlessly rowing the boat like you're in the middle of a still lake. As you return, now straighten up, bring your feet together, hands at your sides. Relax the shoulders. As you breathe in, raise the arms up at the sides. The wild goose flying. Hands at shoulder height. Now you exhale, the tips of the wings rise as you release the breath and float the hands down. Breathing in, raising the arms up, looking gently over the left shoulder now. Exhaling, returning the head to the center. Breathing in, looking over the right shoulder. Smiling and enjoying your flight. Awareness is still on the hands. Sensations in the hands as they rise and fall. Moving effortlessly in the Qi field. As you return your hands to the sides, let's open the stance again to shoulder width apart. And we'll conclude with that movement for harvesting the peaceful Qi. So we breathe in, the palms face forward, and then we raise them up at our sides. Arms get to the height of the shoulder. We fold the hands in towards the forehead, projecting energy towards the forehead. And then on the exhalation, we flow the energy down from the top of the crown to the base of the torso. As we lower the hands, we lower our center of gravity by bending our knees, and we follow the flow, this cleansing movement with our intention all the way down on the exhale. If you take more than one breath, that's totally fine. But if you can, try to lengthen your breath, breathing in and then breathing out. Breathing in, gathering the energy. Breathing out, delivering the energy to your body, flowing it down from the top of the crown to your third eye, to your throat chakra, to your heart chakra, to your lower dantian, all your internal organs, past your hips, past your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, out your feet back to the earth. And then gathering again the energy from the earth, uniting it with the energy from the heavens, and then flowing energy down through you. You are the conduit of the energy between heaven and earth. Connecting to the energy with your breath, with your intention, flowing that energy down through the center of your body. Feeling the tingling in your hands and your fingertips. And let's do one last round. Breathing in and breathing out. Now bring your hands into prayer position and bow gently forward to give thanks to each other for today's practice. The light within me honors the light within you. Thanks for being here today. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great rest of your day.